Polynomial, second chapter of your class. So anybody of you know what are polynomials? Sai Charan, do you know about polynomials? Anything? Shriyanvi? See, anything if you're writing in powers, no. Suppose you are having power x to the power n. See, polynomials can be represented algebraic expression of the form px an x to the power n minus 1 x to the power n minus 1 plus dash 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 is going till decreasing the orders, like x to the power 5 plus x to the power 4 plus dash dash dash, keep on going, x to the power 1 plus some constant. Okay, any the constant will come. So this is a form of polynomial. So this is expression, actually algebraic expression of the polynomial. But
Sir, actually, I can't see your presentation, sir. Sir, your presentation is still loading for me, sir.
still loading. 1 minute, I just do once again. So only 2 points you should remember, children. 2 points you should remember. That variable, if you are having polynomial, no, if you are having two things, constant and variable. Constant and variable. Okay. So variable power should not be variable powers, or you can say exponents. Variable power or exponents should not be what? Negative or fraction. Should not be negative or fraction. But remember this, we are talking only about variable, not about constant. Understood, children? So 2 points is variable power should not have negative or fractions. Okay, the variable power should not be negative or fraction. Is it clear, Sai Charan?
Yeah.
So if any polynomial is given to you, can you find out whether it is a polynomial or not? See, this first expression, is this a polynomial?
Yes, sir.
Because all powers, all the variable power are positive, so it's a polynomial. Next, is this a polynomial? Second one,
No, sir.
why it's not a polynomial?
Because it has a negative power.
Yeah, so variable power should not be negative, so this is having negative power, that's why this is not a polynomial. Satvik,
Yes, sir.
third one, this is a polynomial or not?
No, sir.
Why it's not a polynomial?
Because it has a fraction in it.
Yeah, so variable power should not be fraction. So your fraction is there, that's why this is not a polynomial. So this is a basic concept. By seeing it, you can understand whether the given expression is polynomial or not, right?
Yes, sir.
So anyone having doubt in this part to understand whether it's a polynomial or not?
Sir, I have a doubt, sir.
Hmm.
Sir, means if the power is in a fraction form, sir, and the value after simplifying, sir, we get the value as means not in the power of fraction, sir. Means not in a fraction form or negative form. Is there a polynomial, sir?
Tell me an example what you're trying to say.
Sir, like means any example, sir, means x to the power suppose 1 by 2, sir,
Okay.
plus 2x minus.
Hmm.
So after converting, sir, we get an answer, sir, means about anything. So
Okay.
that is in the form of it means it is not in the form of fraction form, sir. So is this a polynomial, sir?
You can solve this. This you can solve. Can you solve this one?
Means if we give Sir,
So you
means
can't solve it, sir, because even if you get a value, you'll still have to write it as x to the power of -2.
See, children, you have to, by seeing this only, don't go about what about the answer or not. Right now, just try to understand that if this expression is given to you, no, if the power is, if the variable power is negative or fraction, that should not be what? That should not be a polynomial. Akshit, Sai Charan and Shreyanvi, all of you on the camera, please.
sir, means I'm asking like if we have some, sir, means if there is a power, means if there is a variable, sir,
Hmm.
and a polynomial, sir, so it has a power of fraction, sir, power in the form of fraction.
Hmm.
So after the simplifying, sir, we get a value, means like
Yeah,
we
you can
given
get the values. You can get the values, not a problem in that. But
uh,
don't go to solve the something and all. But that is not a polynomial first, okay? If by
sir,
seeing the expression only you can say that this is polynomial or not, like that. You may get the answers if you are solving.
yeah, sir, means if we get an answer, sir, in the form, not in the fraction form, is it a polynomial, sir?
You will get that. You just bring one example which answer is not a fraction form, okay? You bring one example, just search once, okay? Sai Charan, once you see that, and if answer is coming proper or in fraction, we'll just look into it, okay?
Yeah.
Akshit, what happened to your camera, Akshit? No, now we are talking about here. See, three terms are there. See, what are terms? You know already. This complete is known as terms. 2x square, 3y, and 2. These all three are what? Terms, right? Next, what is coefficients? Means before the variable, what is mentioned over there, that is nothing but coefficients. So here coefficients are 2, 3, and here, what is the coefficient of x to the power 0? 2 only you can say. What is the coefficient of what you can say? You can't say only, no? You can take x to the power 0, that is 1 only. So here we can say x to the power 2. The coefficient of x to the power 2 is 2. Coefficient of y is 3. And this is like a term. So you can write here x to the power 0 if you want. Okay. So here these are variables, x, y, these are variables. Exponents, coefficients, exponents, constant, variable, exponent. All of you know about these 5 terms: coefficient, terms, constant, variables, and exponents. Exponents means what is the power given on the top of the variable, right? That is the exponent. Variable is nothing but x, y, z, means what you're going to, that value is keep on changing. That is nothing but variable. Constant means like that will not never vary, okay? Coefficient of x square, before x square, what is mentioned, that is your coefficients. So 5 terms are there here, like coefficient, terms, constant, variable, and exponents. In all these 5 units, 5 terms, you are having doubt, children?
No, sir.
So polynomials are denoted by px, qx, etc. In the way of polynomial 2x square, these are the terms. 2 and 3 are the coefficient of x square and y respectively. X and y are variables. 2 is a constant term which has no variable. Okay, this is a common thing what they have given in this. Now next one is type of polynomials on the basis of number of terms. 2 ways we can divide the polynomial, children. 2 ways we can divide the polynomial. One is according to number of terms, and second one is on the basis of what? On the basis of exponents. Okay, we can dividing the polynomial in 2 parts. One on the basis of the number of terms, and secondly what? On the basis of exponent powers. Okay, so here we have mentioned that number of zeros of terms. The 0 is there, 1, 2, 3. Number of zero means how many answer you get. If you solve the equation, how many answer you get. Suppose if you are having quadratic polynomial, it's not quadratic, you're seeing monomial, binomial, trinomial is there. No. How much power will be there, that much answer you should get. If power is 2, okay, if power is 2, then what you can say? How much zero is having this, children? Power is 2 means you will get 2 zeros. How many powers will be there on the top? Suppose if you are having x plus 1. So what is the power of x?
1, sir.
So we'll get answer as 1 answer will get. Means 1 means like how much power will be there, that much answer you should get. You can say 0 of the polynomial, or you can say answer of the polynomial, or you can say solution of the polynomial, or you can say root of the polynomial. Any 4 they may ask in exam. Okay, it may be root of the polynomial, it may be zeros of the polynomial, it may be answer of the polynomial, or it may be solution of the polynomial. X plus 1 is equal to 0, you can write this become one equation. Understood, children? This become one equation. Till here is polynomial. Till here is polynomial, but if you write is equal to 0, this become what? Equation. So difference between polynomial and equation is what? Only equation you just put, that become what? If it is equal to 0 or something, you can put no, that become equation. And this one term is nothing but what? Polynomial. So first of all, we are just discussing as per the number of terms. If you are having only one term, children, if you are having only one term, okay, then it is monomial. We call it as monomial, means only one term. If you are having two terms, then we call it as binomial. Three terms means what? Trinomial. And if you are not having term that is 0, that is known as what? Zero polynomial. See, zero polynomial can be only 0. You can't write 1, 2, 3. That become constant. Okay. So zero polynomial means 0. Example is 0. Monomial is having only one term. Binomial is having two terms. Trinomial is having 3 terms. Is it clear, children?
Yes, sir.
So here they have given non-zero terms. Non-zero terms means, you know, children, non-zero terms means the term should not include 0. So this is not include 0. This is complete one term, right? Akshit, x square is complete one term, right? So this is having 2 non-zero terms.
Yes,
this is having 3 non-zero terms, and this is having 0 non-zero term, because only 1 0 is there. The non-zero terms are how much? 0. Now according to which terms we have written here, you see monomial, binomial, trinomial, what they have given here. Monomial, a polynomial with only one term is called monomial. A polynomial with only one term is called monomial. A polynomial with only two terms is called binomial. A polynomial with only three terms is called trinomial. Again, what is zero polynomial? The polynomial with all the coefficient as 0, all the coefficient as 0, like x, x square, whatever the variable are there, the coefficients are 0 is called what? Zero polynomial. And zero polynomial is what? 0 is the only example of zero polynomial. So these all are the example of polynomial only. Monomial, binomial, trinomial, polynomial, all are this were what? Example of polynomial. So if a polynomial is having only one term, so we call it as monomial. Two term, binomial. Three terms, trinomial. Many terms, means all are the example of polynomial only. Zero polynomial means what? It should have the coefficient of all the what? The coefficient of all the zeros. All the coefficient of zeros is what? Called a zero polynomial. What is constant polynomial? A polynomial with a single term. A polynomial with a single term is called real number, is called a constant polynomial. Any single term of real number means any number you take, 2 by 3, 5 by 6, minus 1, minus 2, any constant term if you take without x, real number they are saying, okay, real number like 5 by 6 or minus 2 by 3, whatever it is, that become what? That is nothing but your constant polynomial. Is it clear or not? Is it clear till here?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now, what is degree of polynomial? Degree of polynomial. Degree means maximum power. Maximum power of the polynomial is known as degree of the polynomial. If I ask you, what is the degree of x to the power 2 plus x to the power x plus 1? What is the degree of this polynomial? What is the degree of this polynomial, children? Degree is 2. Degree is nothing but the maximum power of the polynomial. The exponent of the term with the highest power is called degree of the polynomial. Is called degree of the polynomial. If I ask you what is the degree of this x plus x to the power 9, x to the power xy to the power 9. What is the degree of this polynomial, children?
Sir, 9.
Here degree of the polynomial is 10.
Sir, why 10, sir?
Because here x, this is one term, wait, this is the first term and this is the second term. In second term, total degree is how much? Total power is here, this also you should add. The 1 plus 9, that is how much? 10. Here is 9, which is greater?
10, sir.
So in this case, degree is 10. If I write here xy square plus 4xy 3 plus 9y to the power 3 plus 4xyz square. What is the degree of this polynomial?
Sir, 4. 5, 5, sorry.
5. How?
Sir, because 4xy has. No, sir, 4 only.
How 5 came?
Sir, 4, sir.
4. Degree is 4. I think this is clear to everyone.
Yes, sir.
So this is having the most degree over here. X, Y, Z square. The 2, 1, 1 become degree become 4. So here they have mentioned the degree of non-zero constant polynomial is 0. Non-zero constant. Non-zero constant means suppose you take a non-zero constant. What is the example of non-zero constant? Non-zero constant. What is the example of it? You can say 2. So 2 we can write 2x to the power 0. So what is the 0 of this polynomial? How? What is the degree of this polynomial, children? Degree is 0. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Priyanvi, Akshit, Satvik. Is it clear to you, Satvik?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Children, why your videos are not on? Because see, sir told me to remove the children who is not on in the video. I don't know why you people are off. Satvik,
Sir, my video shows that the video is disabled, sir.
why your mic is so weird? It's coming, sound is coming so weird. Why? Akshit,
Now
sorry,
it's
Sai Charan? Why your mic is coming so weird?
Mine, sir.
Yeah, you are owning the mic, no? That time it's coming. I don't know which sound is coming. No, yours or someone else, I don't know.
Sir, it's Satvik.
Satvik, okay, okay.
Yeah, sir.
Satvik, on your camera, what you are doing over there?
Sir, my video is showing it's disabled, sir.
Okay. So Yanvi left the meeting or what?
She left, sir.
Okay. What about one more girl was coming? No, what her name was? Starting of the when when there was my first class, no, first. So One, what has starting from n, I think.
Sir, Harini, I think. Sir.
Yeah, Harini. What happened? She's not
Sir,
coming.
we went to another one, sir. Batch B, I think. Sir.
Okay, that batch is going.
Yeah, sir. In one recording, I have saw.
Okay, okay, fine, fine. So type of polynomial on the basis of degrees. Now we are just moving to the degrees. First we have read according to their terms. Now we are just reading according to the number of degrees. Okay. Number of degrees. So degree means if it is having 0 degree, so it's
So
a
Shriyanu says she has a network issue.
okay, okay, fine, fine. So network issue is there, so she will be joining or without camera, or she's not joining only. How is it?
So I think she's joining and she messaged that sorry, a network problem here.
Okay, okay, fine, fine. So type of polynomial, if you're having power is 0, then you can tell it as what? Constant polynomial. Polynomial having degree 0 is known as what? Constant polynomial. Polynomial of degree 1 is known as linear polynomial. Polynomial of degree 2 is called quadratic. Polynomial of degree 3 is called cubic polynomial. Okay. And 4, degree 4, polynomial of degree 4, what we call? Polynomial of degree 4. What do we call, children? Do you know?
So quadrilateral polynomial.
Biquadratic. Biquadratic polynomial. We telling for degree 4. Biquadratic polynomial. Okay. So constant polynomial is polynomial of degree 0. Linear polynomial is polynomial of degree 1. Quadratic polynomial is the polynomial of degree 2. Cubic polynomial is polynomial of degree 3. And polynomial of degree 4 is known as what? Biquadratic polynomial. You can take example x to the power 4 plus x plus 1, x square y square plus 1 you can write. Okay, these all are the biquadratic polynomial. So two types of polynomial are there. First according to their terms and second according to their degrees. So degree we are telling constant polynomial, linear, quadratic, cubic, biquadratic. And according to terms, monomial, binomial, trinomial, these all we call it as. Okay. So next one is linear polynomial. Linear. So linear children already know that linear polynomial is having 1 degree, right? Of degree 1 is called a first degree or linear polynomial. The general form of linear polynomial is ax plus b. Ax plus means x will may have some coefficient, right? If this x is having some 0 coefficient, then you can't say linear polynomial. Then it's become what? If x is having 0 before that, then what we call this become what? Which polynomial? Constant polynomial, right? This become what? Constant polynomial. So x should be there here. Some constant should be there for x, like 5x plus 2. The same form should be there, right? Then only you can say this is a
Sir,
linear polynomial. Huh?
sir, but means constant polynomial means anything to the power 0, sir.
Yeah, you can constant polynomial means only your digit will come, your real number will come. Constant polynomial means any value which is a real number, is not having any variable in that. Means x to the power 0. You can write anything 2 by 5 x to the power 0. This is what?
Yeah, sir, but before you told 0x.
I told in this way 0x. So this is a coefficient of x. So this whole thing becomes 0 only now.
Yeah, sir.
So this whole thing becomes 0. I wrote like this 0x plus 1, right? So this becomes, this is what? Which polynomial is this? This is constant polynomial, okay?
Sir, yes. Now this is,
Because one digit is there, no, this is constant. If this also is 0, then it's called 0 polynomial.
sir, then 0x is 0 point.
Only 0x, yeah, only 0x is a 0 polynomial. Yes, this whole thing is 0 only. So don't confuse between 0 polynomial and constant polynomial. 0 polynomial means whole thing is 0, and constant means any one variable, any one real number should be there, okay? Any real number should be there in which polynomial? Constant polynomial. So maximum, see, they have given here a should not be equal to 0, okay? If a is equal to 0, it becomes, if this happens, if this doesn't happen, right? Doesn't happen, then what we can write? If b is coming, then it's called as constant polynomial, you can say. Or if b also not there, then what is called? 0 polynomial. So a should not be equal to 0. If a becomes 0, then we call it as 0 polynomial or constant polynomial, depending on the b. Okay. So next is quadratic polynomial. Quadratic polynomial, then a polynomial of degree 2. A polynomial of degree 2 is called quadratic polynomial, and you can write the general form of quadratic polynomial is ax square plus bx plus c. Ax square plus bx plus c. This should not be equal to 0. This may be 0, not a problem, okay? This b is 0, c is 0, not a problem, not problem, okay? But a should not be equal to 0. Like if you write here x square is equal to 4 something, suppose you write here. So this x square is there, means that is your quadratic polynomial. Understood? X square is nothing but what? Quadratic polynomial. Whether this is there or not, we are not bothering at all. But if it is there also, not a problem. Understood? So x square, ax square plus bx plus c, where a should not be equal to 0. B and C may be 0, not a problem in that part. B and C may be 0, not a problem. First part is there, x square you are seeing in the polynomial, then it's called what? Quadratic polynomial. Cubic is again similar here. Cubic is again similar. X to the power 3 plus bx square plus cd plus d. Here also x to the power 3 should be there, something and all, okay? And after that it is there or not, we are not bothering at all. Understood? So x to the power 3 should be there, that's it. Is it clear, children, or not?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So how many power is there? No, that much answer also should come. If you're having power 1, suppose you are having power 1, if you're writing here x plus 1. So what is the 0 of the polynomial? You should write here minus 1. If you write x square is equal to 4, so what is the 0 of the polynomial? Plus 2 and minus 2, right? Or if you write here x square is equal to 1, so plus 1 minus 1. In that way, how much power is there? That much answer should, that much 0 will come, okay? So 0 and root, same thing I told before also about 0 and
Sir,
root. Huh?
sir, I did not understood, sir. The 0 polynomial. No,
Zero. This one you are saying, last, this one, this part.
Yeah, sir.
Yeah, that I'm
Means-
reading only. This one, right?
Sir, means before you have told how many powers are it?
Yeah,
How
yeah,
many-
that, yeah. How many powers are there? That much 0 should come. Means this 0 synonyms I'm writing is similar words. 0, 1 is 0, you can say. Second is root. Third, you can say solution of polynomial. Or you can say other words. What we can say? One more word I told. 0 of the polynomial, root of the polynomial, solution of the polynomial, and what we can say other value of the polynomial, or you can say answer of the polynomial, any word you can say, answer of the polynomial or solution happened, no. So these many words are same. Suppose if they ask you what is the 0 of the polynomial x plus 1, so your answer is what? Minus 1. We can say this is a root also, this is solution also, whatever it can, you can say. Suppose x to the power 2 you are writing, plus 1 is equal to something. Then what is the answer for this? Answer is, what should be the answer, children? We can't solve only, I think. We can't solve this one because if you are doing like this, no, this will come like this. And x square, you can't take root of minus 1, right, children? So this is not the answer. Got it? So here should be minus over here. If they give here minus, then you can write. If here is minus, then what is the answer for this? Plus 1 and minus 1. So you should see the power of the polynomial, children. You should see the power of the polynomial. Okay. You should see the power of the polynomial. If power is 2, that much answer, that much root should be answer. Understood? Is it clear, Akshit, now? Akshit and what your name? Sai Charan.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
So see what is happening here, 0 and